Yo guys, what's up? Quickly just want to record this video. Been like struggling a lot finding new income sources. Right now I'm doing a CPA plus another like affiliate marketing website I registered. It's called Max Bounty. Basically what it is, it's almost like OG ads, but it's a little bit better. I think I'm gonna start using Max Bounty way more. And yeah, I titled this video how to make money with Instagram. So basically what we're gonna be using to make money, let's say 100 bucks or 200 bucks a day. It depends how much you scale, but the scalability is limitless right now because all you need is basically find an influencer with over 100,000 followers and you set. You basically are set. So Max Bounty is the website where you have plenty of options to promote, but on this specific method we're going to be promoting one option, which is paid survey. So basically what you need to do is to get the link to the offer, which is easy. You go on, pick the offer and you get the link and you send people to that offer, and all you need to do is to register and you get from $1 to $3. So basically let's say on average you get 1.5 bucks per lead. So per one person that just registers, and basically they need to enter their email address and that's it. They registered and they can go and make money by taking surveys. So I'm saying it's easy because when you have no experience on internet marketing, you will be terrible at selling stuff, especially physical products, because people actually need to spend money. On this case, get people to spend their time and to give their email address. So basically it's way easier for newbies to start on this. So that's why I was testing this, and as you can see I made I think 450 or 440 bucks, and basically I just started like a few days ago. First of all, register to Max Bounty. I left the link down in the description. It's an affiliate link, so if you register and make some money, I will get 5% every year from your earnings. So you can go and register just to the website, or you can register through my affiliate link. It doesn't really matter because I'm still not gonna make any living from that. But once you do that, don't start promoting like products and stuff like that. You go and pick surveys. See what's campaign is like trending on the website. Just go on not trending, see which campaigns are top campaigns on the website and pick one of them. So pick the surveys, as I said, start promoting surveys. The people just bring traffic into the survey websites and you get paid for people registering. So how do you gonna bring traffic? So it's easy, and everybody I've just searched for the Max Bounty niche on YouTube and everybody is talking about Bing ads and Facebook ads. It's really complicated for newbies to start with these type of ads. I'm not even using Facebook ads and Bing ads. I think it's really profitable once you like know how to do that. But for the newbies, is the best way to go on Instagram and basically buy paid shoutout. So just think about it, like if you buy a shoutout and on that shoutout you basically need to be promoting that you can make money with surveys. Go onto this website and start making money with surveys. So shoutout should look like, I don't know, like write something like, I will make a video about how to structure a good shoutout. If you want, just leave a comment down below. But basically just think about how to bait people into the website and make them register and you get a lead. So, and you buy a shoutout from the account that has over 100,000 followers, let's say. It usually costs from 10 to 20 bucks. So let's say they get 30,000 views on the shoutout, and people see the shoutout that they can make money by doing surveys. They go, so let's say how much people you need to get to register to at least break even if you fail. But I mean, you need like 20 people to register to break even, and from 30,000 it's gonna see that. So usually you will make from 20 to 40 bucks profit per shoutout. Is super unsaturated. Nobody's doing it. I never saw any page promoting that because people, I think they think it's too small to do that, or they think it's not gonna be profitable, but it's extremely fucking profitable right now because nobody actually is doing it. It's untapped market, and I've thought about it. I tested it. It works. I'm gonna be scaling this. I'm gonna be doing 10 freaking shoutouts every day to that elite. And one thing, you need to have a landing page. You can't use the page that Max Bounty gives you. You need to have a landing page, and the best tool to make landing pages is called Builderall. Builderall. It's in my description. It's really cheap, and once you start using it, you also can start promoting it and make money. So if you register through my link, you get extra bonus. So yeah, I think that's it. Just go on Max Bounty, register. You need to wait for a little bit for your account to be registered, but it's not gonna take a long time. And yeah, I think that's it. If you want to learn how to make money without any investments, and you can start earning from 10 to 20 bucks a day, the link will be down in my description. And if you want to know how to I grow my Instagram account to 20,000 followers as well, the link is down in my description. Everything is for free. So, and if you also have any questions, DM me on my Instagram. The link is down in my description. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.